case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1984 case titled Immigration and Naturalization Service v. Delgado, the Supreme Court came to a pivotal decision regarding the conduct of law enforcement amid factory operations. The situation arose due to the Immigration and Naturalization Service, INS, in its quest to identify illegal aliens, carrying out surveys at 2 garment factories. Challenging this, the respondents argued both their Fourth and Fifth Amendment rights were violated by these operations. They contended that the INS fostered an environment of intimidation during the surveys, leading to a seizure of the complete workforce without explicitly informing them they had the freedom to depart. These claims led to a significant lawsuit with the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals initially ruling in favor of the respondents. The court held that indeed a seizure of the workforce had occurred due to the INS' exhaustive questioning and surprise inspections. Contrary to the previous judgment, the Supreme Court held that no workforce seizure had occurred during the surveys. They opined that the questioning process was brief, the respondents were freely allowed to work or move, and encounters were in essence consensual. The High Court further dismissed the appeal's claim of a created psychological environment that coerced employees to stay put. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decisive judgment reversed the rulings of the lower courts, marking a significant interpretation of privacy and personal security in regards to immigration-related inspections.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.